I see. Okay, so you got that 3 views.
Yeah.
This is the default view lah.
Yeah.
Oh, then we should get rid of this line, huh? Guideline, we should get rid of it.
Can we? But very cool lah, the animation. Thing can flip up, right?
Nowadays, CD is making a comeback mah. But you can't get the regular view. How to get the regular, like, press again?
This one cannot
Try
press.
I close the door.
Cannot.
Yeah, yeah.
You can see the 360 pattern.
Yeah.
If you press again? Oh, like that one.
Yeah. Not the perfect lah, but I think regular.
Oh, this is the regular view lah. So if while reversing you press, what happens? Ah, I see. Okay, so you got that 3 views.
Yeah.
This is the default view lah.
Yeah.
Oh, then we should get rid of this line, huh? Guideline, we should get rid of it.
Can we?
I think it's a Kenwood. Huh?
Yeah.
Menu. Yes, set up.
Camera, is it? This one
Camera.
Yeah.
This one.
Off lah.
You can off. Try it.
Yeah. Okay lah. Boleh je.
Boleh lah. Still got retain the
Okay lah, boleh lah.
fingerprint magnet.